33,333 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. This process will continue and you need to follow this pattern. 3 goes into 3 goes into 3 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 3, 3. Subtract 0. Bring down this 3. 0, 3 means 3. 3 goes into this 3. Again 1 time. 1 time 3, 3. Subtract 0. Bring down this 3. 0, 3 means 3. 3 goes into 3 1 time. 1 time 3, 3. Subtract 0. Bring down this 3. 0, 3 means 3. 3 goes into 3 1 time. 1 time 3, 3. Subtract 0. Now bring down this 3. 0, 3 means 3. 3 goes into 3 how many times? 1 time. 1 times 3, 3. Subtract 0. So our answer is 11,111.